Welcome to the online course on GeoGebra by Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Video 1, Introduction to GeoGebra. In this video, we will see Introduction to GeoGebra, on the steps to install GeoGebra and layout of GeoGebra worksheet. For recording this video, I have used GeoGebra Classic 5 software and free online screen recorder software. Tell me and I will forget, show me and I may remember, involve me I will understand. A Chinese proverb. Students learn by actively participating in observing, speaking, writing, listening, thinking, drawing and doing. Learning is enhanced when a student sees potential application and benefit to others. Learning builds on current understanding, including misconceptions. A holistic view of active learning needs experiences, information and ideas, and reflection. This is a pyramid which shows what we remember and our level of involvement. Only 10% what we read, 20% of what we hear, and 30% of looking at an exhibit and all, but 90% will be doing dramatic demonstration, stimulating the real thing and doing the real thing. That comes under active learning. The learning pyramid tells that only 5% will retention rate will be 5% for lecture, 10% for reading, 20% for audio visual, but 90% will be for teach others and immediate use. After 2 weeks, a child or anybody will tend to remember only 10% of what you read, 20% of what you hear, but when you see 90% of what we say and do, that comes under active doing. This is once again explained over here, difference between passive learning and active learning. This is Bloom taxonomy, which tells you that how creating and evaluating are very important. The creating and evaluating are very important. For doing this, we need FAST, free open source software, is computer software that can be classified as both free software and open source software. Is openly shared so that people are encouraged voluntarily improve the design of the software. But for proprietary software, the software is under restrictive copyright and the source code is usually hidden from the user. Let us start with GeoBoard to learn what is GeoGebra. A GeoBoard is a mathematical manipulative used to explore basic concept in plane geometry such as perimeter, area and the characteristic of triangle and other polynomial. It consists of a physical board, the number of nails driven in, around which are wrapped geobands that are made of rubber. Rubber bands also can be used. GeoBoard were invented and popularized in 1950 by Egyptian mathematician Godignoux in the year 1950. This is a GeoBoard whereby pulling the vertices of the triangle, and we can make another triangle by pulling the vertices of any polygon. You can make another polygon. GeoGebra actually make use of the concept of GeoBoard. It join a interactive of geometry and algebra. The word came from geometry and algebra. Table graphing, calculus and statistics are embedded there. Most part of GeoGebra are free, available from www.geogebra.org. GeoGebra is written in Java, available for multiple platforms. Many parts of GeoGebra have been ported by HTML using Google Web Toolkit. Its creator started the project in 2001 and its journey continued, and GeoGebra has expanded its offerings to include an iPad and Android version also. Let us see how to install GeoGebra in your computer. We have to go to the website. It can be downloaded free from www.geogebra.org. This is the layout, first page, home page of the website. Here you are seeing start graphing. This can be used online by clicking start graphing. A GeoGebra worksheet will open, you can work on that. And it can be used only online. And next is classroom resources. Can be used online by clicking classroom resources. The resources contain activities for elementary, middle school, high school and colleges arranged. In the search button, you can search any classroom resources which you want. And all these classroom resources, you can download it and you can use it. Now click app download to download the executive file of GeoGebra. When you click that app download, so many versions of apps available. Graphing calculator, 3D graphing, geometry, GeoGebra Classic 5, augmented reality, GeoGebra Classic 5, Classic 6 and Classic 5. These two are available. But that geometry will contain only geometry, 3D graphing will contain only 3D, graphing calculator will only do graphing. But the GeoGebra Classic 6 and Classic 5 all are embedded here. The augmented reality will work only on MacBook. GeoGebra Classic 5 is suggested for those who want to learn GeoGebra for the first time. So click download under GeoGebra Classic 5 to download the executive file. Click download and GeoGebra window.exe will get downloaded in your computer. Click it to install GeoGebra in your computer. You have to choose the language. It is now available in many languages, foreign languages and also in Hindi, but we will select English. Click next. Then the agreement page will open, license agreement page. You have to click I agree to install the GeoGebra in your computer and select the standard setup type and click install. Now installation starts and it will not take more than 2 minutes to get installed in your computer. When you do the installation today, for example, you will get the latest updated version of GeoGebra 5. Then completion of the GeoGebra setup wizard will be over and you have to click finish to finish it. Now when you do it, then you will get the icon on the desktop of your computer. This is the icon for GeoGebra. When you click it, GeoGebra opens, GeoGebra starts, and this is the first page of the GeoGebra layout. Let us have a close look at this layout. It is having file, edit, view, option, tools, window and help. You are having it is having two parts. One is having in white color, another is having x-axis, y-axis and grid also. For one view is called algebra view, another is called graphic view. Now the top is called the toolbar, where the tools are there. About the tools we will see in the next video. There is a undo and redo button is there. The left side is called algebraic view. On the right side it is a graphical view. And there is a perspective is there from where you can select algebra, basic geometry, spreadsheet and you can do it. And there is a input bar is there. So this is the layout of a GeoGebra worksheet. We will select as per our requirement. What we have learned? We have learned the introduction to GeoGebra. What is it? Then how it is being introduced. What is the meaning of the GeoGebra term? And we have learned the steps to install GeoGebra in our computer. And we have seen what is the layout of a GeoGebra worksheet. Thanks for watching. This is the video tutorial prepared by Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Mumbai.